Hi guys, today is a new day. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be taking you through how I prepare sweet and sour chicken from scratch. There you can see I have some seasoned chicken breasts, some flour mixture, and beaten eggs. And for this I used mostly cornstarch in the flour. I coat the chicken breast in the egg mixture, then I deep fry in vegetable oil. There you can see the chicken is being fried, and I fry on both sides until golden brown. Once the chicken is fried, then I put it on grease paper to get some of the excess oil out, or the grease paper is able to like suck some of the oil up. While this is there on the grease paper, I then prepare my pot for my seasonings, which I use 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I fried my bell peppers, red, green, yellow. I use 1 large white onion. I use 3 cloves garlic and some ginger. I added this to my pot to fry, and then I added my mixture, which included barbecue sauce, ketchup, a little vinegar, a tin of pineapple juice, a little ketchup, some brown sugar, some duck sauce, and also the pineapple chunks. Once this is boiled, cook in, I then added the fried chicken. It's drained and now ready for the sauce. Once I add this to the sauce, I make sure that everything is deeply covered in the sauce and allow to steam for at least 5 minutes under low heat, because then the chicken is already cooked. It's only to get the sauce evenly on the chicken. There you can see the chicken is covered in the sweet and sour tangy sauce that I made. Then I added some green onions, which we in Jamaica we call scallion. There you can see it's looking colorful. It was tasty. This is a family favorite. They love when I do the sweet and sour chicken, and I do this from scratch. Tell me I'm not the bomb. I'm almost Chinese, half Chinese. Anyway, sweet and sour chicken, I leave in the description box all the ingredients I used, I included. This takes, I would say, 2 hours to prepare everything, and this can be served with white rice. This can be served with fried rice. I served this with fried rice when I prepared it, because I can also do fried rice from scratch. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Share my videos with others who might be interested in learning how to cook these foods or prepare these foods from scratch. Again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell. See you soon in my next video. Thank you.